Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to use Google Gemini in Google Docs. Okay, so Gemini has been incorporated into Google Docs. You can access that by just coming to your docs at google.com, and then while you are here you can just go ahead and create a new blank page. You can name your document, of course. Right, so you have option here. Whenever you open your Google Docs, you have the option to generate a document. To help me write, if you want to write a content, you can say use templates, or you can use more. So you can use templates and you'll be able to see from selected templates that you can work on. These are driven by AI. Okay, so you have this option, and then you can say generate a document that you can just give a prompt. For example, I can say a presentation about public speaking strategies. Okay, so you can just go ahead and click on generate, and this is going to generate your presentation using Google Gemini AI. So you can see this is a complete presentation, preparation and content, know your audience, structure your speech, delivery techniques, pacing, volume, pauses, managing nerves and practice, and so on. This is a complete document in mastering public speaking strategies. Now, alternatively, you can always have this option, this one over here. You can always ask Gemini. You can say to refine this or to ask further questions that regards this. Okay, so you can ask further questions like, can you generate the image of a black man speaking in public? All right, so you can hit on enter. All right, and you can see wonderfully it has created the image of a black man speaking in public. All you need is just to specify exactly where you want it to be inserted. So you can click to have a preview and insert directly, and you can see it's been inserted. You can insert the second one as well if you want to insert, or the third one as well if you want to insert as well. Right, but then you can go ahead and resize accordingly. You want to resize it, you can come to the edge over here and make it bigger or make it smaller, however you want it. Okay, so you can even ask further follow-up question and say, can you change it to a female black, okay, delivering same presentation. Okay, so you can ask so many series of questions, and you can add from Google Drive or sources in this document. You can add sources that you can be able to work on directly to generate different kind of content. So in general, this is just for follow-up questions, and you'll be surprised how this is going to be generated. Surprisingly, this is a black lady in delivering the same presentation. We can see the wonders, and you can easily insert this in your content, and this is going to help you to create a more professionally looking and enhanced content or document for your own next presentation. So please go ahead and explore the use of the AI in Google Docs. Okay, and this is basically how to use Google Gemini in Google Slides. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.